we have new Philips NeoPix Ultra 2 projector. So this has got built-in apps like YouTube, VLC player, Firefox, and it's got main features. It's got a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen mirroring, all other options of ports, USB, HDMI. It's got 1080p full HD. Okay, I'm going to unbox this now. So the total weight of the box is 4.2 kilo, sorry, 2.69 lb. This has got the projector, some power cables, remote control, your kickstart guide, etc. You have the option to mirror from the phone and also directly stream from Wi-Fi. Okay, it's nicely packed. So I'm going to open the rest of them. We have an envelope. This has got a warranty card, I believe. Yeah, it has got instructions. Then we have the projector here. NeoPix Ultra 2 is here. Okay, it has got the controls here, the navigation, power button, going back, settings. It has got a VGA port in the back. It's got a 2 HDMI, USB, power, AVs. So this has got the lens cap. And then you have the height adjustment. Okay, what else we got in the box down below? So we got the power cables. We have 2 different types for different countries. So we have got 4 cables, 4 different power sockets. Okay, this should go into the power adapter, which is here. Should go here. So for me, this is for UK. So we have got this pin, 3 pin, 3 square pins, and so this goes here. All right, and we have a power converted power goes in the back, and the last and the important one, the stylish remote. I think, and we have 2 batteries given already for the remote, and this is all in the box. So we have a projector, we have a remote, and we have a battery for that, and then we have 4 power cables and an adapter. We're going to start connecting, and we'll provide further review on the next video.